You don't need to be a producer, have expensive equipment, or even know how to make music to start earning from it anymore. Because right now, people are using AI to create simple tracks and turning them into passive income. Most people assume making money from music takes years. Learning production, mixing, mastering, all of that. But the reality is, there's a whole category of music that doesn't require any of that. And that's what we're focusing on. Not hit songs, not radio tracks, but simple, usable audio that people actually need every day. Instead of trying to create full songs, you want to focus on background music, ambient sounds, simple loops, basic beats. Think about where music is used. YouTube videos, podcasts, social media content. These creators aren't looking for complex music. They're looking for something clean, simple, and usable. That's your opportunity. Now this is where AI comes in. You can use AI tools to generate instrumentals, loops, background tracks, and the key here is not perfection. It's speed and consistency. Instead of spending hours on one track, you can create multiple tracks quickly. And remember, each track is a potential income source. Once you have your tracks, you upload them to platforms like BeatStars, Spotify. On BeatStars, you can sell your beats directly. On Spotify, you earn from streams over time. You can also use YouTube to upload your tracks and monetize views. Now you have multiple income streams from the same piece of content. This is where most people get it wrong. They upload 1 or 2 tracks and stop. But this works like a numbers game. The real goal is to build 10 tracks, 20 tracks, 50 tracks, because each one increases your chances of getting plays, sales, and exposure. At first, it might feel slow. But over time, more tracks equals more chances to be discovered, more streams equals more revenue, more uploads equals more momentum, and eventually, you're not relying on one track, you have a system. If you want more ways to use AI to create passive income like this, I put everything into a simple guide. It's linked in the description.